Amor, it looked like we are going to play basketball, not get castañas. Oh, hello. Amor, wait for me. There are baka. Ay, what's that, Amor? Only kabayo. Kabayo. Grabe naman yan. Uy, you walk faster. We climb in that mountain. Here. It's very pretty naman here, Amor. No people. No snake there. Hala. Tabi-tabi po. Tabi-tabi po. Mamulot lang kami kastanyas. Uy. Agoy. Dali lang. Kastanyas. Amor, what is this? What is this? What is it? You see? This one, oh. This is castañas.
Una filipina perdida en Asturias.
Amor, this is castañas.
Yeah, small, come on.
Small. What? Oh, too many kabayo. Ay. Hala, kabayo, Amor. I see kabayo. Hello, kabayo.
Come on.
It's dangerous pala, Amor, the of castañas.
No, the rifio is dangerous.
Yeah. It hurt my hand. I was thinking, this one, Amor, no?
Well, I told you.
Yeah, see. Only in the feet. Where's the plastic? I carry the plastic. You give me the plastic. You see. This is it na, Amor, or more far pa? Is more far pa where we get castañas? I'm tired na. Do you think mother have fried chicken in the house? Huh? I'm tired. I want to eat fried chicken. We will make it a lot of castañas here in the plastic. Aray. Tabi-tabi po. Tabi-tabi po.
The phone in the pocket.
Later na.
You fall down. And,
No.
and you hand. Come on.
It's very pretty, oh.
La Felguera.
La Felguera. Is it the countryside? Here. It's very pretty, Amor, no? But it's difficult to go to supermercado. Aray. Tabi-tabi lang, ah. Tabi-tabi po. Dangerous this one. That's the biggest castañas.
Ah,
Damaged
it's
na. Broken, oh.
Damaged.
Oh, this one, Amor. Nothing inside. And this one also, oh. Nothing. Maybe someone get castañas already. Nothing for us. This one, Amor. Amor, this one is big, I think. Oh! Damage. Damage. This one damage. Ay. Oh. Small. Oh. It's no small inside. Amuro. Like this is small, no good. This is small. Ay, very big.
No.
No also. No this one, no na this one. It have 3 inside, Amor. 3 pieces. Aray ko, ang sakit. It's dangerous the castañas, ah. Oh, look. It's okay.
So small, but no big. This here, I think. Maybe
No big castañas today.
only small.
This one, oh. And this one.
Yeah.
Amaro, this one, oh, is good.
Yeah.
This one damaged na. No look good. This.
The look.
Amor, very small. Very small.
Yeah. This here is.
No good for castañas this year. Be careful there, ah. It's dangerous. Tabi-tabi po. Oh. Yeah, this one is more good. Oh, it have 3 inside, Amor. 3. Oh,
Only for one time, I think.
3. Maybe this one. Oh, nothing. We need to put gloves when getting castañas, eh. Because it hurt a lot.
You want the one thing?
Guante. Amoro. This one. Very small. No, a lot of castañas this year. Not so many castañas today.
No, this year no.
Only a little pa. Tabi-tabi po.
It's near, I think.
Ha?
The Javali is near. I think this is.
Habali? It will not eat us, the habali. Amor, it's very high na. Later we have... How are we going back? Tabi-tabi po. Hello guys. Charot. This one. Grabe oh. Nothing. Ah, damage. This one no.
No.
We go down na. We go home na. We eat fried chicken, amor. Fried fish, fried chicken. Fried chicken, fried fish. Uwi na kami. We're going home na. Gracias. Gracias. Hasta luego. Be careful ah. Amor. Wait lang. Here. Oh. Why you look clean? Why you look clean? And I look my feet oh. Why you no dirty? Even your hands. I also have gloves. But is dirty my hand. We can put this in the car, amor. My shoes.
Huh?
We can put in the car my shoes.
In a plastic.
In a plastic. It's 5 kilo na. 5 kilo already. Sunny day today ah. Oh, a lot. I'll go there. Wait.
No. It's Havaiana.
For it.
What?
Uy, you eat everything, huh?
You see, it's delicious. Do it.
For it.
Of course. Have to see. Delicious.
It tastes like castañas eh. Ganda naman ng view.
Broken.
Huh?
No, this is a no, is a cascara.
A beautiful kabayo, amor.
You want to take a photo? Here and the caballo behind you.
You and me. Ang hirap guys, umakyat ng bundok. Uuwi na kami ngayon ng bahay. Ano pala? Sa mother-in-law ko. Bye guys. Oh, my husband there.